Germarel power.
I want to show you a perfect electrical room for your facility, for your factory, for your hotel, for your hospital. It must have like from the base a little bit higher, and it must have like special locks. It must have inside air conditioner, as you see. It must be inside like easy to install, neutral. All cabinets must be nearby. Data. Also, like you can easily move these woods and then manage everything. These ones you can also use metal, but wood is really economic and really stable. So you will see our voltage stabilizer, 3000 kVA. So there are also electrical coolers, high voltage stabilizer, and like emergency out. Okay. Cable entry and out, in and out. Here will come also an additional air conditioner. And this is high voltage side, low voltage side, but then again voltage stabilizer, then it goes to the facilities. Now we will show you the diesel generator part. Here is good and clean, and these are like against small mosquitoes and against any wind and dust. So you see, this is like good designed electrical room. This is a must nowadays. Also, you can think one more part, maybe in the future, for your solar equipment, solar storage systems. We can also produce it with container we can put top of the building. So, thank you. See, it's so clean. Perfect. Here will be clean. This is still not started like fully functioning, but you need also air distinguisher.
Germarel power.